Hey everybody, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. And in today's video, I'm going to be printing on a hoodie. So for this specific design, we're going to be printing on the front pocket and on both sides of the hood. So in order for me to get this done, I'm going to be using a 7x8 Platen on my DTG printer. Okay, let's start by putting the hoodie on the print tray. Then you want to open up the hoodie from one end and then slide it over to the other side. Once the print surface area is on top, you just have to line it up with the hoodie so that the print falls exactly where you want it. After you're done with that, just make sure that everything is below the print surface area and you're good to go. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Plus, make sure you turn on the notifications because we're going to be putting out a video every single week where we show you how to print something new with your current machines. To print the other side of the hoodie, let's do the exact same thing. Start by putting the hoodie on the print tray. Then open up the hood and slide it from one side of the platen to the other. Once the print surface area is nice and smooth and everything is lined up, you can hit print. To print the front pocket, all you have to do is thread the sweater onto the platen and then position it so that the artwork falls exactly where you want it to. The other cool thing about a 7x8 platen is that all of these seams are below the print surface area, which means that you can actually raise the platen higher to get a really good print without any head strikes.